Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will try to discuss complete information related to chemical engineering discipline in Pakistani universities. This video is very important especially for those students who want to apply in chemical engineering after FSC or grade 12 education in Pakistani universities. Equally, this video is very important for those who want to know about their potential employers. So let's get started. What is chemical engineering? You can find many definitions from Google, but in short, chemical engineering is all about converting raw materials into valuable products, and a chemical engineer should have necessary skills to do this task. A chemical engineer works from lab scale to industrial scale to produce different valuable products like textile, pharmaceutical, plastic, rubber, oil and gas, renewable energy, and many others. So we can say that chemical engineering occupies a unique position at the interface between molecular sciences and engineering. Now we will check universities offering chemical engineering program across Pakistan. In total, there are about 180 universities in Pakistan, public plus private, but among them only 26 universities are offering chemical engineering I could find. In Punjab, these 12 universities are offering chemical engineering, in which Punjab University is the oldest and pioneer in starting chemical engineering program in Pakistan. Other government sector universities are UT Lahore, NFC, University of Gujarat, ComSert, and Minhaj universities and Sharif Engineering. These are private universities. And in Sindh, these 5 universities are government sector universities. Among them, Karachi University is the oldest one. And in KPK, UT Peshawar is oldest one. GIK and UT Peshawar are offering BS, MS and PhD programs, but PAF Institute will start MS or PhD programs in near future. PAF is an emerging institute in KPK. In capital, we have two top-ranked universities of Pakistan, NUST and PIAS. And in Balochistan, the largest province of Pakistan in terms of areas, I could find only one university, BUTEMS, that have a chemical engineering department. So, to check the eligibility criteria to take admission in these universities, let's have a look. All universities follow rules and regulation from Pakistan Engineering Council. A student must have at least 60% marks in their FSC pre-engineering to get enrolled in a BS chemical engineering program. All other admission requirements for BS, MS and PhD are listed in this slide. You can see. Okay, now the fee structure. As fee structure depend upon many factors like research profile of faculty members, facilities, status of universities, like universities is private or public, or and location, and many other factors. Among these universities, we can see that LUMS and GIK are the most expensive universities, and other government sector universities have lowest per semester tuition fee, lower than 50,000. So I suggest you, if you belong to lower middle class family like me, then you must work hard to take admission in these government sector universities. Although fees, some financial assistance and scholarship are available in good private institute like LUMS, GIK, but you have to work hard for this. Okay, now what are the major subjects in chemical engineering? In the first year, most of the subjects are related to non-engineering domain. These are organic chemistry, Islamic studies. These are the basics subjects. And after first year, the main subjects of chemical engineering will be taught, which are included separation process, heat and mass transfer, and these all are the main areas, main subject of chemical engineering. And if you have interest in how to transfer, how to convert heat into energy, how fluid like liquid gases move from one place to another, how we can separate miscible and immiscible compounds, liquids, then you must join a chemical engineering program. After third year, in last year or in last semester of bachelor's, there are some elective courses, and these elective courses mainly are being taught in MS or PhD level. These included this one, energetic material. This is energetic material is related to the material science, and then petroleum engineering is related to the oil and gas industries, and these are the some elective courses, not all. Okay, now at last we will see the job opportunities for a chemical engineer. Okay, chemical engineer works with different position, we can say that, like a test engineer, sometime process engineer, sometime it called nuclear engineer. There here I will discuss the main industries where a chemical engineer can work. Okay, first of all, fertilizer industry. I believe that fertilizer is the one industry that in which you can apply all subjects of chemical engineering into a practical into a practical life. Okay, these are some fertilizer industries listed here. Top industries of Pakistan. And then other industries, chemical industries. Some of the chemical industries are listed here. I suggest you, just all of you, that you should explore their website to know more about job opening, internship opening, and all other activities. Okay, then we have textile industry, in which chemical engineer are working as a dyeing engineer, or color engineering, or test engineer, we can say. Okay, then cement industries. In cement industry, these are some cement industries of Pakistan. Then paint industry, where chemical engineers are working, and you can apply for a job. Then paper industries, packages, paper mill, Tetra Pak like Bulleh Shah packaging, Roshan packaging, and these all are some local and multinational companies of related to paper. And then oil and gas industries. You should apply in all of these industries. I suggest, I advise to the student of sixth semester, they should apply for internship in these oil and gas industries. Okay, then food industry. In this we have many sugar mills here in Pakistan, where a chemical engineer works. Okay, and at last, if we talk about the government sector university, then we have Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission, Kahota Research Laboratory, Pakistan Ordnance Factory, Ministry of Science and Technology. I suggest again all of you that you should explore the websites of these industries to know more about them. Okay, that's all about today. I hope you like this information. Please share this video with your friends, because I believe that sharing will increase your knowledge and wisdom. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.